Bill and I are now at the Marvin window and door booth looking at one nice sliding door. Everybody likes sliding doors. I have a sliding door. Do you have a sliding door at your house?
I do.
They offer some great advantages, don't they? They offer the advantage of lots of light coming in, no door swing to kind of clutter up the outside or
mess around with
or the inside. You don't have to mess around with that.
Yep.
So they're really great things. Everybody likes them, but they have some challenges. One of them is a hardware challenge. A lot of sliding doors don't have hardware that's easy for a lot of people to use.
How's this one rate?
Well, I think it's pretty good. You can get a small hand or a big hand in there to use it this way. You can also, if you can't close your hand, you can actually just push it with your whole hand as a closed fist, which works really well. And what we also like about sliding doors is the fact there's lots of light coming in.
Yeah.
But this door, like the other ones, lets a lot of light in, but along with natural light that's really good, also comes the potential of glare. So how does Marvin handle that?
Well, I think through different glazing options, which are a tremendous way to kind of limit that a little bit. And then if you really want to control the amount of light coming in, as well as the glare, of course, various shading systems can be put into these. Yeah.
So you want to get the natural light without the glare.
Yeah. What's the coolest feature, though, by far?
I think the coolest feature happens to be the threshold. One of the real problems with almost every sliding door is they've got big tracks that impede people from traveling to and fro. They trip people, small kids, adults, and if you use a piece of equipment, they're really a problem. They stick up an inch or two.
Yeah, yeah. So
this one's great.
This one here actually is neat because we found out that this can go on the subfloor. We don't have to make any accommodation.
You don't have to recess it.
Right, to lower it down into a slab or onto a subfloor. So this is actually set at the level as long as you have a floor built up on both sides. So we'd have a walking surface on the outside that you want to flush up to the sill to within the quarter to half inch. And on the inside, the same demand. And you could do that if you had a flooring surface that was thinner. You could always do an underlayment or something in the area to build that floor up. But besides that, I think you've got a winner here.
So the result is maybe a half inch maximum. It's not totally flush, but maybe it's up about a half an inch from the surrounding floor.
With our better living design and what we really believe in, we don't want any more than a half inch. And we like, if it is a full half inch, we want to taper that a little bit. So this is a winner. I like it.
Okay, what's the one other thing that the industry has a difficult time overcoming? It's the standard 6 foot wide door, right?
Oh yeah, good point. One problem that we can run into here is on a 6 foot slider, we don't have a 6 foot leaf, or 3 foot opening. We have 3 foot leaves, but because of how the lock has to clear, there's a bumper here. So we need to watch this depth from the jamb to the door that we don't get too much under 36 inches. We can upsize the door to make that accommodation.
So it seems like it might be a good width. Hey, a 6 foot door. In fact, the actual opening size may be way smaller than we were looking for.
Yeah, it could be as much as 4 to 5 inches narrower than that 6 foot opening.
So make sure you're speccing a door that's maybe 6'6".
Good, 6'6" and on up is what we probably want to look at. Now, hinge door, that might be different.
Absolutely.
Good.
Good job.